Welcome back, Flare community. Today we're going to talk a little bit about BestFTSO and how you can claim your NFT if you was eligible. So for those of you who don't already know, I'm part of the BestFTSO team and we're trying to do something a little bit different. Now, BestFTSO is a data provider for the Songbird and soon Flare time series oracle. Like all oracles, the idea is to submit the most accurate prices, but BestFTSO are going a little bit further and we're also rewarding our delegates with NFTs. So if you were eligible on one of these quests, you can go to the BestFTSO website right here, that's bestftso.xyz. And if you click up on the top right here on the Delegate tab, you should be greeted with a screen like this. Now, let's go into how to actually claim. So you can actually click on the NFT tab right at the top, and we have the number of different quests here. Now, the first one is the only one which people may be able to claim this week. So if you just click on this, and you can obviously see the beautiful artwork right there. All of the signal providers for the very first epoch. I think it looks incredible. Now, if you look to the bottom right of this pop-up, you may see this claim button. Simply click it, confirm the transaction, and there we have it. It's that simple. You should now have an NFT in your Songbird wallet. Now, the eligibility for this particular NFT is actually read from the blockchain data, all of this public data on the Songbird network. So if you are eligible, you will be able to claim, and basically the NFT will be sent to the wallet which you delegated to, the wallet which you have connected to the website. If you give the page a quick refresh, you can see that in your wallet you have one of these NFTs. And I believe this is a first in the space. You know, the ability to link up a wallet and view NFTs on the Songbird network. So we're always trying to strive to do something a little bit extra. Now, for those of you who are not already aware, you can actually check the statistics for each of the different signal providers. FlareMetrics have created an incredible site, and I'm going to link this in the description for those who are interested. But yeah, as we've just started the new epoch this Saturday, the rewards are very low, and this is not actually a rate, it's an accumulation, and it's sort of maybe misrepresented slightly, but this is accumulation of all the Songbird owned for 100 Songbird for this current epoch. As the epoch has just started, there's not been that many rewards given, but as time goes by, you will see that these values will increase and then reset again once the next epoch starts. We have FTSO and ScandiNodes running the show, and shortly behind them, Alpha Oracle, BestFTSO, and Use Your Spark. So, something else just to mention, you saw me claim there via MetaMask and via a browser, but many of you guys may have actually held Songbird and delegated from an app like the Decent wallet or maybe even the Bifrost wallet. The process is going to be the exact same. These applications have an in-app browser where you can go to the BestFTSO website, connect your wallet, and go through the same process. We have a lot of different things coming your way. If we look back here onto Delegate, you may see these BNFT points, and this is a feature that we're currently working on, where if you delegate to BestFTSO, you're actually going to accumulate these points, which will then give you an opportunity to buy various NFTs. Some of them may even be Kings of Strategy related. So I'm going to leave you with that bombshell. As always, it's been an absolute pleasure. If you have any problems, please comment below and I will be sure to check them out. Until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.